thank you for watching this video today as I explain my near-death experience today. And there's Squirt changing the oil in her brand new car. Not sure why she's doing that. The wind is blowing like crazy, so I apologize. Try my best to make this video a wonderful experience for you and everyone involved. So earlier today, myself and Squirt were en route to opportunity number 3 of 5 on the day when I veered off and made a wrong turn into a one-way street. I don't know. I immediately realized, oop, one-way street, can't go that way. Even though I was only going one way, it was the wrong way. Instead of pulling up into a driveway somewhere like a normal person might do, I decided that I would stop, put the truck in reverse, and make a U-turn in the middle of the road. All of a sudden, bam! Slammed into a tree. I was watching the camera. I saw the tree, but I thought I was at least 2 or 3 feet away from this tree. And bam! I mean, it shook the whole vehicle. Ladders are flopping and flying, and stuff's all over the place in the cab of the truck. And I just started laughing. I'm like, oh my God, I just crashed Jazzy. So finally, I just decided to just keep on going. That's just how I roll. So I got to the next stop and I get out, and I'm here to tell you, look at this. There isn't a scratch. There isn't a scratch. And then I realized, wait, I was 2 or 3 feet away from the tree. It wasn't the truck that hit the tree. It was the ladder. Oh no, look at this. So here's the thing, guys. That ladder's gonna cost me, what, $400, $450, 28-foot ladder that I did not have to buy. So often in our videos, myself, Joe, Jeremy, everybody, we only show you the good things. Like Jeremy had a terrible day the other day, and I was glad that he showed it on video. So often we just show you 4, 5, 6, 7 washes. We're having experiences with our customers and everything is good and well and right in the world. But I tell you, sometimes it can be a hard day out here. I'm so grateful that I didn't actually hit anything with Jazzy, but only the ladder. It could have been so much worse, but that's going to cost me at least a house wash, right? And so, you know, you think, you know, you hear these guys on YouTube and they're saying $300, $400, $500 an hour, and they only tell you the good things. But what about when catastrophic events take place? This is not catastrophic, but it's a setback. I'm going to have to chop up this ladder into pieces, set it out here for someone to take. I'm going to go spend $400, $450 for a quality ladder. Like, I could do other things with that money. Things happen when you're out in the field. And stupid me just did not see that I was driving down a one-way road in my own town. Like, what's wrong with me? Don't answer that question. And speaking of comments, please leave a comment telling me something that has happened in your wash day that has cost you some money that was just plumb stupid. Just plumb stupid. Just foolishness. I'd really appreciate it. Leave a comment, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and hit the bell tab, and you and I will spend lots of time together. All right, Mike, the Fresh Rinse. And I'm an idiot.